All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It is the SE model, this beautiful metallic blue or royal blue. This is just a beautiful blue with gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. It's got 37,000 miles. Minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks great. Your front fender looks good. Your front driver's hubcap, that looks pretty decent. Yeah, tire thread is 8/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Rear driver's hubcap, apologize. Your tire thread back here is 5/32. Let me double check that. That is correct. This nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No ding-dangs or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with one key and one key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM, turn the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff right there. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 37,198. That's it. That's it. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around, rear bumper looks fantabulous. Rear trunk lid looks great. Rear your trunk space looks good. You got a spare tire here with some tools. I tucked away your owner's manuals, and we're calling it frame because of this little kind of dents down here. I don't know where they came from. Maybe he backed up onto a snowbank or something. I don't know, but it constitutes his frame. So even though it affects the car and nothing. Quarter here looks good. Rear passenger hubcap and your tire thread. 4/32. This door looks good. Your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. The other side of it. Your front passenger door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. Tire thread looks good at 8/32 as well. All right, folks. Lights are on. They are working. Vehicle looks great. Folks, once again, a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It is the SE model with 37,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.